Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm an owner of a Google partner company, and we provide solutions related to Google Merchant Center suspensions, Google Ads suspensions, Google Ads disapprovals. Also, we provide help with Google Ads management. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to do advertiser identity verification on Google Merchant Center. So let's get started. This is just a pre-recorded video, just to let you know that we own the video and we own all of the rights. So do not worry with this. So this is how you can see over here that you may be given a task over here where you may be asked to do an advertiser verification identity done over here. So I'm going to show you in front of here. You can see over here that there is you have to select the verify identity, select this one, and once you select the verified identity, you will be move on to selecting your payment profile. Because it's an agency account, so we have multiple profiles, but you have to create your own profile over here by selecting the create new payment profile. Once you select the create new payment profile, you will have to select the continue. Then you have to select your country over here. For instance, if you any country as per your convenience, then you have to select the individual or shared, as per your convenience. For instance, you can say organization or individual. You can select any as per your convenience. So let's say we're going to individual, select the continue over here, and then you may be asked to provide you with driver license, passport, national identity verification, or residence permit. You may have to provide either of the four documents over here: driver license, passport, national identity card, or residence permit. So you're going to start the verification over here by selecting the start verification over here, and so you have to just provide of these things to the Google by selecting the start verification, and you can do your verification as easy as ABC. However, if you still need an help, just to let you know that I have now, me and my team have solved dozens of cases. You can check our YouTube channel. We are a Google partner company. You can also check the Google partner verification badge on our website as well. So if you need help in Google Merchant Center disapprovals, suspensions, product approvals, or if you need help with Google Merchant Center management, or for Google Ads or disapprovals, suspensions, or services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you still have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.